So after this morning, when I finished receiving my word, of course, I started praying. And after I finished praying, I heard like the sound of a rattlesnake outside my window, right? But I knew it was a bird because I only heard the birds chirping because, that's what they do when the sun starts to rise, like at dawn, 5:30 or something like that. So I was like, what kind of bird makes a rattlesnake noise? Like, I put that in my Google. What kind of bird makes the rattlesnake noise? And I didn't think an owl was gonna pop up. So it was like a burrowing owl makes a rattlesnake noise. And what does a burrowing owls mean? It means watcher of the dark. What does watcher of the dark mean? A strange race of humanoid creatures of a small stature. Now, burrowing owls for myths and folklores was a protective spirit for brave warriors. Okay? While in the nest, burrowing owls in distress cry mimics in the sound of rattlesnakes to scare away predators. So baby owls do this to scare away predators. Male owls do it too during mating and territorial defense, mimicking rattlesnakes as a warning. So male burrowing owls make this noise too as a territorial defense. Okay? Now, the best time to see a burrowing owl would be through January through June, and this is June. For the chicks, it would be April through June. And let's see, watcher meaning watcher of the dark. I came to them being dark angels, are a special type of angel who acts like a soldier or assassins for God. They are angels known for brutality and inability to fall. The leader of the dark angels is Ezekiel. They are masters of all trades. Okay? And when I checked the time, it was 5:31, and that meant inviolable, which means not to be violated, unchangeable. Okay?
I want to get wet.
It also means not passing away. An example of that is not transferable. Okay? So the Lord wants you to know that you are divinely protected at this time. Okay? You are inviolable and unchangeable, which means you are not to be violated, and you are not to pass away, and you are not to be transferred or stopped. Okay? In the name of Jesus. So know that you are highly protected at this time. And that's the message. Peace.